Hello traders, welcome to today's video. It is Wednesday the 6th of September and this is your Bitcoin 5-minute update. So a reminder on the higher time frames. Bitcoin right now currently holding around that 50-month EMA, which it was consolidating below for the latter part of last year. We go down onto the weekly and we can see our 200 weekly EMA here currently holding as support. This white line, by the way, is our anchored VWAP from the yearly open. And then going down onto our daily time frame here, we can see that anchored VWAP acting as real good support with these wicks down into it at this stage. Now, there is a slight discrepancy here between what spot exchanges are doing, this being the Coinbase chart. And then if we go onto our futures markets, our perpetuals, then you can see here the inverse perpetual on Bybit. That anchored VWAP just currently slightly above price, but still consolidating within that same area. Now, the other thing on the daily time frame is if we don't get a breakup anytime soon, then we're going to have this death cross that could start to occur within, I would say, the next week or so. So that is something to maybe be aware of, or maybe not. The EMAs aren't something that I trade off of particularly, but they are really good just to give you an idea of where we are in the grand scheme of things, with a bit of context to base any ideas off of. Now then, something I do want to cover just very quickly. Let's go back over onto a clean chart and let's add this on. So what I want to talk about today, just before we go on to the lower time frames, is the midweek reversal. Now, this meaning that if you have a Monday and Tuesday going in the same direction, you have a greater than 60% chance of that reversing on the Wednesday, and then that will get continuation towards the Friday. Okay, so what you see on your chart here is red being Monday, orangey yellow being Tuesday, green being Wednesday. Okay, so here we have a red Monday, a red Tuesday, and so far, okay, a red Wednesday. But what this theory means is that you have a greater than 60% chance of closing your Wednesday candle above your Tuesday high. Now, this doesn't happen all the time. What you need to do, there's a little bit of theory about this. It's basically if you're within a 50% range of your previous candle. So therefore, meaning that if your Tuesday low is less than 50% lower in accordance to the range that was put in previously. So if you look at the high to the low, then you're looking at a further 50%, then you have a good chance of then getting that close above the high on the Wednesday. Whereas if it's over that, as we've seen clearly from last week, okay, where that Tuesday was a lot more than 50% higher than the Monday, then it's very unlikely that you're going to get that close all the way back down to the bottom. However, we did do that then on the Thursday. Subsequently from there. So just looking at this, okay, this is what we're looking at now, a potential midweek reversal. Remember, there is a greater than 60% chance that we will close today higher than the high of yesterday. Now, you can look back to last week, okay, green, Monday, well, Monday prices went up, Tuesday prices went up, Wednesday reversal. The week before, Monday, Tuesday, prices going down, Wednesday reversal. The week before, nothing there. The week before that, price go up, reversal, and greater than 50% higher, so you're only partial retrace. Any more? Monday down, Tuesday down, Wednesday reversal. On this occasion, is that about 50%? Maybe, but you don't get that close above, but you do come and test that Tuesday high. So there's a good few examples here, even the week before over here. Monday up, Tuesday up, Wednesday reversal, close below, well, price trades below the Tuesday low, but closes just above the Tuesday low. And that is the only other examples that are on this chart right now. So that gives you an idea. Actually, every single time you have had a Monday and a Tuesday going in the same direction since middle of June, we have had that Wednesday reversal. So just something to bear in mind, okay? And that does continue with my bias that we are likely to see prices move up throughout the day. Now, if you're looking at the 30-minute time frame, it doesn't look too great, to be honest. Let's just get rid of these colors. So we're below the daily open. We're in this little downtrend for the day, and the only real thing that we have to go off right now is that we're at that bigger golden pocket since last Friday, price consolidating around that 618, and this also is the POC of this particular move. So we're right there, we're right at that POC, we're right around that daily open, and if we add an anchored VWAP onto this as well, then you can see all of this stuff is just currently just above price for the time being. If we then go into a more local move, like with all of this is just consolidation. Okay, you can see price consolidating within a bit of a triangle, and therefore you would expect any break of this to then get continuation. So what are we looking for? What I would like to see today is a move up to reclaim daily open. You have a 30-minute OB above. I would expect that to get some resistance, but I am looking for that move towards the NPOC here at 26,280. So I am still in the same trade from yesterday, still waiting for that to move up. Now, my invalidation for this is now the previous day low. I'm happy to use the previous day low as a decent invalidation. I'll give it a bit of wiggle room, but I no longer am really looking at this Friday low as an invalidation for this particular trade. This is going on long enough, and now my stop is where that previous day low now is. What else can we expect to see from today? There really isn't a whole lot in terms of market structure right now. It literally is a case is if you're trading level to level right now, what would be nice, I don't know if this has just happened, but let's just have a look here. There's a low there that hasn't actually been taken, but we did have a couple of internal lows. Is that a session low over there? It will be, well, it won't be a session low. I'm only really looking at the New York and London sessions right now, but let's just add the close and the Asia sessions onto this, and we can get a little bit more context. Okay, so we've taken out our Asia lows this morning on London Open, and what we also have there is if we're going to go from here to here, once again, golden pocket 786 as support right now, and previous day point of control. Okay, so previous day point of control, confluence, local golden pocket acting as a little bit of support here. So yeah, that does mean that I am looking for this move higher. So let's see if that happens. I don't have much more to plan for this day. I think if we do lose this, then it is inevitable that we come down and take these lows. And I wouldn't really want to see it go any deeper than this at this stage. So yeah, we've seen that London session trading below Asia. Let's see if we can reclaim that daily open, work our way up towards the weekly open, and then maybe looking at that MPOC a little later on today. That really is the, well, yeah, that is the plan. That is the main thing that I'm looking at. Let's see if we can get that throughout the rest of the day. Like I say, the 4 hour is looking okay right now. When you just look at the general consolidation that you have here with a pretty big move down and then this rounded bottom going on, I think the 4 hour is really what's giving us a reason to be looking for higher prices, and then these lower time frames are just adding to that. So chances of a midweek reversal fairly high today. 4 hour time frame looking good. We've back tested that previous day point of control. We're at the golden pocket of this slightly bigger range, and locally having taken out the Asia lows already, let's see if we can go for that other MPOC. So this is the one, basically this is where our other confluence is. 4 hour MPOC over here at 26,300. Then if we go to our TPO, then you can see the little test of previous day point of control, and then this MPOC up here at 26,280. We also have poor highs from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, basically. Okay, it's not a very good selling tail on any of these days without the volume really there. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you all again very soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.